Alright, Lisa, so this is Lobo. We've already started with some training with him. Yeah, he's going to be big. Alright, so maybe just walk him up and back one time.
Lobo! Lobo! Lobo!
Alright, girl, let me know. I've got to go into town here in a little bit, but you could come by later this afternoon if you wanted, or in the morning. We'll be here. Yeah, see if you can get him just kind of posed there one time. No, I didn't mean sitting. Get him standing one time. Yeah, he's pretty much got a perfect little build on him. All right, girl, see ya.